Matrix multiplication of matrix, a very important thing. We have two matrices A and B. So the elements of A are small a, B, C, D, E, F, and the elements of B we have L, M, N, O, P, Q. The order of the matrix A we have 2 cross 3, and the order of matrix B we have 3 cross 2. So if you want to multiply, this is very important. That means whatever is there in the second part has to be same equal to the first part of the second matrix. Fine. If here you have 3, here you should have 3. If here you have 7, here you should have 7. Then only this matrix AB will be possible. Otherwise it won't. So here, as we can see, that a matrix A is having an order 2 cross 3 and matrix B is having an order 3 cross 2. Now let's say we have multiplied it. So do we know what is the order of the matrix AB? Yes, of course. So if you multiply this, so this 3 gets cancelled. So we have highlighted it with red. So this 3 gets cancelled, and the final order of the matrix AB will be 2 cross 2. So how to find the matrix multiplication of this? So the first element has to be multiplied with the first element of the second matrix. So A into L plus B into N plus C into P. What you have to do is you have to take first row and you have to take first column. You have to take the first row and you have to take the first column, and then you need to multiply individually and add them. So here I have taken the first row, multiplied with the first column, and I have added them individually. Again I will take the first row, multiply it with the second column, and then I will add it individually. So here A into M plus B into B into O plus C into Q. A into M plus B into O plus C into Q. Okay. Now second row and then first column. So D into L plus E into N plus F into P. So D into L plus E into N plus F into P. And then we have D into M plus E into O plus F into Q. So D into M plus E into O plus F into Q. As I told you, the order of this matrix will be 2 cross 2. So which is this. Okay. Now in this, so let's say we have A M cross N and then we have B N cross P. So if you multiply this AB, you will get as M cross P. Okay. So this N gets deleted. So this N is called the inner order of the matrix AB. So if in objective, if they ask you, okay, tell me the inner order of this matrix, you will say that the portion which is omitted or deleted. So here in this example, what is the inner order of the matrix AB? You will say that it is 3. Understood? The inner order of the matrix AB here in this case will be 3. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to find the multiplication of the matrix. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.